On 10/11 this morning, we focus on what's new, what's now, and what's next.
Breaking news happens in an instant. If it's happening now in Lincoln, it's on 10/11 this morning.
We'll get you the information first when you wake up.
Wake up with Brad, Shelby, Brian, and Camry. A great way to start your day. Breaking news, your top local stories, and weather.
So when we finish our day, you'll have everything you need to start yours.
Lincoln News Now on 10/11 Now.
This is an alert from your 10/11
Stay up to date this winter weather season with push notifications from the 10/11 Now weather app. Download the 10/11 Now weather app for free today. With your local Lincoln forecast, 10/11 Now meteorologist Brad Anderson.
And welcome back. It's 8 minutes after the hour, 12 o'clock. Cloudy skies here in the capital city. It's 36 at the studio, 37 at the airport. And I'm going to have a little help here because, you know, God knows I need it from time to time. So we're going to have some special guests. But, yeah, all right. And there he is. There's the other one. It's the Blue Man Group in Lincoln, Nebraska at the Lead Center. And they're going to help me out with some weather here a little bit. And I was telling them years ago, now some of you know out there that we actually have what's behind the maps, a green screen, but years ago it was blue. And this is what would have happened. You can see the green sheet there. So now you can see the temperatures in Lincoln. We're going to switch over to the current temperatures. And yeah, 37 in Lincoln. There you go. Yeah, 35 in Crete. Just generally some 30s there. And a blue head at the top in the temperature banner. That's right. So that's what we have. We generally have cloudy skies. And in western Nebraska, it's already in the 40s. So it's a little bit nicer there. That's right. And 36. There we go. All right. And then the feel-like temperature, what it feels like outside, not too bad for January. Basically the 30s and the 40s. We do have that southerly breeze and people disappearing. The south wind. South wind continues at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that'll be happening throughout the day as well. As we move on, check out the satellite. There are some clouds out there. Basically, yep, clouds, but not a lot of falling precipitation yet. There is a chance later today that we could see some sprinkles or maybe a couple of flurries. Nothing significant, nothing scary, guys. Nothing, no scary weather this time. No blizzards, nothing like that. So, you know, you don't have to hide. And we will be looking at maybe another chance for a little bit of shower activity tonight and maybe also into tomorrow morning. There's a slight chance we could see a little bit of freezing drizzle. There comes a big blue cold front. It's moving across the state. Yes, there he is. It will be moving across the state tonight, and that's what actually could give us a little bit. Thanks, guys. That was well done. That was very well done. So, yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, so there it is. There's that blue front just coming this way. And there's some showers there. That's right. That's right. And then behind that, there's not a lot of cold air, so that's good. So you don't want to be too cold. And then, yeah, that's how we do that. And sometimes I go kind of like this too, and around and around. I got to have really good shoulders to do this kind of stuff. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. I need this. Thank you, Shelby. This is what I need every day. Okay. Yeah. That's too. Carpal tunnel sometimes sets in. So yeah, that's right. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. So as we move on, we're going to see some clouds tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm going to show the people there. This is Nebraska. Yeah, right here. Exactly. Lincoln is the capital city. Did you know that? You knew. They knew that, yeah. So then we see this move off to the east. We're going to see sunshine, I think Friday afternoon. 38 this afternoon to Lincoln, just a slight chance for that sprinkle. So very small, that's right, very small. 20% chance at 6 o'clock for a little bit of rain, maybe a little bit of snow mixed in. And 33 at 9 o'clock with that slight chance for a flurry or maybe a little bit of snow mixed in. And then 39 degrees in Lincoln for this afternoon, 37 in Geneva, some 40s in western Nebraska, and then lows tonight, 20s and 30s, not too bad for January. And then on Friday, maybe a little bit of that wintry mix early, and then we'll see 30s, 40s, and even some 50s in western sections of the state. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Exactly. The weekend's looking great. That's something to squawk about with 51 on Saturday, mid-50s for Groundhog Day. You guys know what Groundhog Day is, you know. If you see your shadow, that's 6 more weeks of winter. Well, it looks like we could see sunshine there. We'll see what Unadilla Bill has to say. 56, and then next week it starts to turn colder. I'm going to go over here and talk to Shelby, and you guys can do what you want to do there. And basically, we're going to be looking at the colder temperatures next week. But the bottom line is maybe a little bit of a light winter mix early tomorrow morning. That's right. And then 50s for the weekend. And then, yes, it will be windier. It will be windier on Monday. It will be breezy. That's right. That is awesome. Thanks, guys, so much for helping me with that. I think most of the viewers would like to see that every day, just have me be quiet. So,
Brad, not that I don't find your forecast so incredibly entertaining, but that certainly elevates it to a whole new level.
That was a lot of fun. Thanks, guys. And we're going to be talking more with the Blue Man Group. Well, you're supposed to read that part. I'm sorry.
No, that's all right.
All right.
You take it.
There's more coming up.
That's what They're taking your job.
That's,
you can take mine
I got to have something to do here, right? Exactly.
Farm markets are coming up next, but first, as we go to break, let's take a look at where Wall Street stands at this hour.